Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how you can turn on dark mode on your Instagram app. To do this, first of all, you must have logged in your Instagram account. Then open your Instagram app. It will show your home page. Then click at the right bottom corner right here and click on hamburger icon at the right top. Then click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down a little bit and find accessibility tab. So I can find here, there is, click on it and you can see two options, captions and dark mode. In this case we have to turn on dark mode on your Instagram. Then click on dark mode and you have three options. You can turn on, off and system default. I want to turn on, then click on it. It will showing, now it is turned on and showing black mode. Hopefully you would like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.